come in. God dang! How do you like your commentary? Your commentator. I'm not a commentator. I'm not your average tater, and neither is this storm, y'all. Ooh, damn. I would be surprised if this doesn't spin up a tornado. Woo! That is getting shitty. I mean, it's trying to flip me over right now. Look at them trees. They're like, ooh, dang. And I'm pretty light, y'all. I am pretty damn light. I need to get past this. Ooh, we about freaking flipped. Yeah, I'm a little light for this. I need to get past this front. Gotta get past this front, y'all, before we get flipped over. Once I get past this front, be alright, right? Holy crap. Yowza, that is bad. We ain't much from getting flipped, y'all. This is a 9,000 pound load in this trailer. Not very heavy at all. Might as well be freaking empty. Holy crap. Well, it's 9,000, so it's almost 10,000 pounds. Look at that wind. Holy crap. I would be damn surprised if the tornado don't freaking come out of this. That is crazy freaking wind right there. I mean, like some of these little mobile signs and stuff, I'm surprised they're not getting flipped over in the roadway. I'm serious, y'all. That is some strong wind. We're getting a good 65, 70 mile an hour gust going on here. That little sign right there, I'm surprised it's still sitting there, to be honest with you. I can't believe it ain't flipped over. And these little cars don't even realize like how strong this wind is. I mean, they're probably like, damn, this is kind of windy. This is like, oh shit. Damn. I ain't even playing. This is crazy right here. Y'all might not want to freaking be up beside me like that on the ride there. Y'all stupid. They're gonna shit themselves if I freaking flip over. This is some serious freaking wind. I don't know if you guys can see this on the camera, like the trees, the way they're going. That crane over there, it's a good thing they brought that crane down a bit before the storm come in. We gotta slow her down, y'all. We just gotta slow her down. This is getting nuts. I'm about to get right into the eye, but at least I'm out of the front, yeah. Excuse my French, y'all. At least we're out of the very front of that. I mean, it's still windy as shit, but that front, whoo! Get through this. It's gonna take some time. Gotta do her slow. We're gonna end up freaking flipping over in this daggone thing. I'm getting a headwind right now, straight on instead of from the side. It's much more pleasant, I'm telling you. That side wind, whoo, it was getting with it. Got some wind shear coming right up in front of that freaking